Uniswap has done very well. Now check this out. Let me refresh the page. The price of Uniswap is $5.21. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So here is going to be my Uniswap plan. So right now we are currently at 336 million US dollars, and we finally have the chart, the price chart, and this is obviously going to help us do some good due diligence. So obviously the recent top that we had was around $5.79. So what I decided to do is obviously sell half of my Uniswap tokens and then leave half of them. However, I am thinking of just selling everything and just buying back. So if you guys are into technical analysis and just reading these charts, right, you obviously understand the importance of the previous resistance. So the previous resistance that we had 3 times in a row was around $3 here. Plus, we also spent a lot of time here until we finally broke out. So there's a high probability that we are going to end up coming back to test this resistance, which should turn into support. So this is hopefully going to be like a very good buying back area for me. So what I have done is I have sold about 200 UNI tokens. I sold right around the $5.60 level, because you know, if I switch over to the smaller time frame, right now this is extremely risky because I am using the smaller time frame. So if we take a look at this, we are obviously breaking the trend. As you can see here, we were following this trending line. So so this is just considered the support, right? We were bouncing off of it, and then all of a sudden we broke out of it. So that to me on a smaller time frame was like a very huge you know, sort of indicator saying, okay, we are starting to change our momentum, and perhaps this might turn out to be some sort of resistance if we come back to this level. So obviously $5.60 is obviously going to be like a very good area to sort of fail and then just continue going back to the downside. However, you have to understand that this is a small time frame, so it depends on when you guys are going to be watching this. Perhaps this is going to be like a very bad decision, but according to, you know, my estimation, I really think that getting back to about $3 or even $3.50 or even below is going to be like a very good area to buy back, because it all depends on what the price of Uniswap is going to do. If we're going to end up sort of finding a lot of support around this area, then that is obviously going to solidify what my theory is, and that will obviously give you like a very good piece of change. And then if we switch over to the 5 hour, right, the 5 minute, if we take a look at the volume bars, right, these volume bars, these selling bars are indicating that, okay, there is more selling power at this particular moment. And you have to remember, I am day trading this, so I'm obviously looking at the shorter time frames. If you guys are into long-term type of trading, right, then obviously this is very insignificant, and I really think that Uniswap can actually reach $25, even $30 in the long run. But you have to remember, I am trying to trade this so that I can have some more and more coins. Instead of me just having 400 UNI tokens, I might be able to like make 1,500 in the next you know, the 3 months or something. So this is one of the reasons why, to me, all these little fluctuations are very important. As you can see, right, obviously we are beginning now to sort of start correcting. So this theory of trend trading is a very powerful one, especially if you are looking at the smaller time frame. So we obviously broke out of this pattern, the support pattern, and now we might start sort of producing something which is going to become like this, and then eventually we're going to get out of this particular pattern by sort of finding support around this area, and then maybe doing something like that, and then continuing to the upside. With regards to fundamental news, obviously Uniswap has been listed on Coinbase. So I don't really think there's going to be like more and more factors that are going to be propelling the price to go up. Of course, what they are doing is very, very important. Liquidity pools and just passive income and all the value that they have been doing, that's all absolutely amazing, and it is obviously going to promote the appreciation of Uniswap. But you have to understand, this is crypto. People have to take money, people have to sort of get out in order for new people to come in, and there's always going to be corrections. There's just never going to be a situation where the price is going to continue going up in value. So it all depends on what type of trader you are. So this is one of the reasons why you should have your own plan. You should know what you are doing with what time frame you are playing with. Okay, so not every glove fits everybody, so you have to understand this is just my short-term type of trading. I'm obviously going to come back and analyze what's going to be happening like in the next 4 hours or in the next 6 hours or on Sunday. It just depends. So this is what I'm doing. I've sold half of my portfolio and I'm planning to buy back. So I'm just contemplating on just selling everything and then just buying back a little bit later, because like that I'll obviously make much more money. So as you can see, we are declining right now and the selling pressure is mounting up on the smaller time frame. However, the smaller time frame is not really that reliable. If we go back to the 1 hour, this is where we are just seeing that the price is just doing its thing. So that's like a regular correction. So we'll just see what's going to happen. However, this is a very good long-term type of investment, because Uniswap is way better than Binance, because the community can actually get to benefit off of its activity and you can't really put a price on that. So yeah, that's all I had for you today. And with regards to Uniswap, I'm obviously going to keep you updated. So take care, have fun, and we'll probably talk a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button in case you've got any contributions, questions, and I really hope that you all managed to claim your Uniswap tokens. And yesterday my transaction finally went through, so you have to make sure that you've got enough money for the transaction fees, and you have all the appropriate gas settings and all that good stuff. In case your transactions are still stuck, just Google how to process pending transactions on Uniswap, and you guys are going to find amazing tutorials on how to sort of make sure that all the pending transactions or all the failed transactions become successful. So if you've got any other problems with that, I can personally help you in case you've got some failed transactions. So yeah, you can just DM me using Telegram. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Mona. Later.